everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of our planet's lungs. These vibrant ecosystems are buzzing with life, but we're not just talking about monkeys and jaguars. We're on a quest to uncover some of the most bizarre and brilliant plants that call the rainforest home. So grab your virtual explorer's hat and let's get started. Our first stop is a plant that looks like it is straight out of a fantasy movie, the corpse flower. No, that's not its nickname for fun. This giant, which can grow taller than a person, is famous for its smell. Imagine the worst combination of rotting meat and old gym socks. And you're getting close. But why would a plant want to smell so bad? It's all about attraction. This powerful stench is irresistible to flesh-eating beetles and flies, which are the flower's primary. They fly in thinking they've found dinner, but instead, they end up helping the corpse flower create the next generation. It only blooms for a day or two every few years, making it a rare and truly stinky spectacle. Next, let's look up. Way up, high in the canopy, clinging to tree branches, we find the fascinating world of bromeliads. You might recognize their spiky leaves, as the pineapple is actually a type of bromeliad. In the rainforest, these plants are like high-rise apartments for tiny creatures. Their overlapping leaves form a cup at the center that collects rainwater, creating miniature private swimming pools. These pools become entire ecosystems, providing a home for frogs, tadpoles, snails, and insects. It is a perfect example of how plants and animals work together to survive in the dense jungle. These clever plants don't even need soil. They get all their nutrients from the air, rain, and the debris that falls into their water tanks. Now, for a plant that has a bit of a reputation, the pitcher plant. These are carnivorous plants, which means, yes, they eat meat. But don't worry, they're only interested in insects. The pitcher is actually a modified leaf that forms a deep, slippery cup filled with digestive fluid. Lured in by sweet nectar and bright colors around the rim, an unsuspecting bug might slip and fall inside. The inner walls are waxy and impossible to climb, so the bug becomes a nutritious meal for the plant. It has a clever and slightly creepy survival strategy for getting extra nutrients in soils where it is hard to find. It's a bug-eat-bug world out there, or in this case, a plant-eat-bug world. Let's move on to something a bit more delicate. The magnificent orchids. Rainforests are home to thousands of different orchid species, each one more stunning than the last. But they aren't just pretty faces. Orchids are masters of deception and specialization. Some orchids have evolved to look and even smell exactly like a specific female insect. A male insect will fly in, thinking he's found a mate, and in the process of trying to woo the flower, he'll pick up pollen. When he's fooled by the next orchid down the line, he delivers that pollen. It's an incredibly precise system, with some orchids relying on just one single type of insect for pollination. It's a high-stakes romance, and it's happening all over the rainforest canopy. Our final amazing plant for today is the strangler fig. This plant starts its life as a tiny seed dropped by a bird onto a branch high up in a host tree. From there, it sends down long routes that snake their way towards the forest floor. Once the roots hit the soil, they begin to grow thicker and stronger. More roots wrap around the host tree's trunk, forming a complex cage-like lattice. Over many years, the strangler fig's canopy grows, stealing sunlight from the host tree, while its roots steal nutrients from the soil. Eventually, the original host tree can be completely encased and dies, leaving the hollow, freestanding trunk of the strangler fig in its place. It sounds brutal, but it's a powerful story of competition and survival in the jungle. And there you have it, just a tiny glimpse into the weird and wonderful world of rainforest plants. From smelly giants and insect eaters to treetop apartments and deadly embraces, these plants prove that the botanical world is anything but boring. The rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, and it's vital that we protect these incredible habitats. Thanks so much for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this journey into the jungle, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations of our amazing planet. Let us know in the comments which plant you found most fascinating. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!